You guys, let all this makeup not waste. I just hope that all of this effort invested in the past couple of days doesn't go to waste because
Hey my loves, welcome. So in today's video I'm going to be trying the trending silk curl former on this old, like very old wig of mine. So if you'd like to see how it turned out, please keep on watching. So what I did was I washed my wig prior to this video and just air dried it and helped it a little bit with a blow dryer. I also applied a little bit of hair moisturizer and some oils just to give it some shine. You guys, I almost had zero expectations. Yes, I know I was trying it out. I was hoping for the best, but still expecting the worst, if I must add. Because you guys, this hair is not, I just don't fancy this wig at all. It's one of my worst wig that I ever purchased. This was a clear case of what I ordered versus what I got. So I'm not such a fan of this wig, so I decided to do this to just see if something good can come of this wig. So this silk curl former that I bought, it didn't come with the butterfly clips that is supposed to hold it in place at the middle. So I just went ahead to use this caterpillar or crocodile clips that I don't know what you call it, but yeah, I just decided to use this clip that you see here. Please, by all means, when you want to place an order for this curl former, try and order the one that comes with the butterfly clips, or maybe buy a butterfly clips and have it on hand for use for this purpose. Because child, my hair underneath the wig cap was stuck in this clip, you guys. So all you need to do is place the curl former across your head from ear to ear. Hold it in place at the middle, and then you start working on one side, then move on to the other side. So what I just did was, from the front, you take the hair section by section across to the back and bring it underneath the curl former. Take more hair, add it to it, and do the same again. By the way, guys, just in case you're yet to give this video a thumbs up, please kindly do so right now before you tap out of the video, because by doing so and also leaving me a comment, you get to give my video an opportunity to reach a more wider audience. So I'm counting on you guys to give me a huge thumbs up, leave a comment down below, let me know if you're going to be trying it, and just basically how you feel about the video. Okay, I would really love to hear from you guys. So when you've exhausted all the hair that you want to wrap the curl former with, you just fold the curl former and apply the scrunchies to secure it and keep it in place. So the instructions from one of the videos that I watched was to leave it in for 6 hours before taking the curl former out. Mine did not have a stated time on the instruction manual, but because I did not trust this wig at all, I decided to just apply it, and put the wig on my mannequin head for 2 days. And then after 2 days, I was ready to see the results. So yes, this is me 2 days after, or 2+ days after, because I left 2 whole days in between application. So yes, this is me 2 days after trying to slay the wig. You guys, this was my first time ever successfully placing a wig and laying it on my head. Usually I just throw it on and go girl, but this time I did it. I did it, guys.
So guys, it's been how many days? Over 2 days since I applied this roller set. So now I'm going to be taking it off. Fingers crossed, guys, this comes out well. One thing I don't quite like, I'm not quite confident in the quality of this wig. Secondly, the wig is not very full. The density is about 150. So fingers crossed everything turns out good. You guys, let's all this makeup not waste. I just hope that all of this effort invested in the past couple of days doesn't go to waste, because I'm banking on this look to film another video. So fingers crossed. Okay, now I think I'm first going to take out the scarf, you guys. And also, I've never successfully laid down a wig. Yeah, you guys, wish me luck.
Wow. Man, I think it looks good.
I'll just apply. Wow. Apply some powder. I think it looks good, like really good. So now, guys, this is the moment of truth. I'm going to carefully take out the scrunchies. And carefully pull it out. Firstly, you guys, I have this brilliant idea to spray on some hairspray so that because I'm really scared, you guys, about whether it's going to have any form of old. Please, you guys, I should have done that since. But yeah, so moment of truth. Wow, the way the curls just fall off, amazing. I'm impressed just by that. It looks like what happened with the video I watched. It's so gorgeous, you guys. It's what? First off, I'm looking bomb. I'm being distracted right now. But second off, the curls already. Just the fact that I can see curls. I think I'm falling in love with this wig all over again, you guys. I've never loved this hair this much. Like, I think this is, I think now I'm in love with curly hair. Like, whoa, whoa. You guys, it turned out good. I want to cry right now. Like, I really want to cry right now. First off, this is the first time I'm ever laying down a wig successfully. Secondly, the curls are there. Like, the curls are there. Like, yeah. Just want to lift it. You guys, get into it. You guys, like, no stress. And then the video I watched, the instruction that ours had was that it only takes 6 hours, but trust issues. I just thought that let me just do it down and I'll just let it rest for like 2 days. You guys, one day, overnight curls. This is your friend. This is your friend. Thank God I got it. This girl is mesmerizing. You guys, I got a little distracted. Do not blame me. Have you seen a fine girl today? You're welcome. You are most definitely welcome. So you guys, that's the result. It turned out good. Next, I'm going to be trying it out on my natural hair. Wish me luck, guys. And yeah. It's like I have a whole new wig. Like, I've never had curls this luxurious, like this luscious. Like, I've never had curls in my hair this good. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. It was a success. I am so happy. Thank you so much for sticking around. If you enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. If this is your first time here, please kindly consider subscribing and joining the fam bam. And I'll catch you on my next one, you guys. Bye.